Today we share how to deal with a rusted rear shock bolt on an F-Series Mini Cooper. This includes removal, which is tight, and what to do when the bolt's threads and the hole are rusted and uncooperative and don't let the bolt back in. To remove the bottom shock bolt, it is a 16mm. Yeah, it wants to compress it sooner than break loose. WD-40. There we go. Using quite a long breaker bar, like so. There we go. That shock comes right out. Some of these initial threads are just gone. Great. We're not just going to stupidly reinstall this, we're going to rethread this using a kit, and I will show you. I don't know how I missed this. I was so lucky this was not a 16mm and I didn't strip it. This was a E-Twerks something which I don't even have. It's probably an even bigger E-Twerks than what I have. Here we need a 16mm that I don't have. I'm checking that the shock's not crushing the wires on this side. And where do I want it? I want it aligned here. So I'm just getting a jack and jacking such that the spring gets a little compressed and aligns with this. Here we go. Almost there, like so. Looks aligned more or less. First off, I really struggled with this bolt because the shock went this way and the bolt hole went this way, so alignment was an issue. Eventually, I got it in, but I had to retap it, but another problem was that the bolt and hole were very rusted. I used a tap and die set, and I believe the threads were M14 x 1.25 on both the bolt, and I used a drill bit adapter to put the tap onto the drill bit and then drill into the existing hole, and that let the bolt actually go in. After persuading the threads to get re-emphasized on the hole, I lubricated the bolt and then quickly re-encouraged the threads on the bolt as well, as shown. You have to be really careful at this step, especially on the hole, because you don't want the threads stripping and you don't want the bolt falling out and the shock falling out. So after you put the bolt in, you definitely want to make sure that the threads are good. As you're tapping, you still want to make sure that the threads are good again so that the bolt doesn't come out. Talking in circles, but it's important to reinforce that you want the threads to be good. And when you actually fix the threads, clean away the rust and stuff, the bolt goes in no problem and stays in. You can kind of pull on the shock to check. Also see my channel and Mini Cooper playlist for all maintenance videos and for the mild off-road build. If this has helped, please consider a super thanks on the video for the time spent making this video and consider subscribing. Thank you.